Kushal Textile Institute, a trusted name for synthetic textiles, welcomes you. We are running courses related to Surat textile industry, especially for weaving industry. We are running following different courses. For getting knowledge of textile industry or business, first three courses need to be done. Number one, man-made fiber weaving. It is of 9 month duration. Number two, basics of woven fabric designing. That is also of 9 month duration. And sample analysis in practical. That is of 4 month duration. In man-made fiber weaving course, right from yarn purchase to fabric manufacture, that all topics we are covering. Means what kind of yarns are available in the market, what process we are performing on that yarn in our industry. For that, what kind of machines we are using. In that machines, what kind of mechanisms are given. For quality control, what precautions you should take and how to estimate the production target. All that things are covered in this course. Means our first course, that is man-made fiber weaving. It covers quality control and production management part of the industry. Second is basics of woven fabric designing. You must be aware with the Dobby or Jacquard machines which we are using at Surat. In that Dobby or Jacquard machines, we are creating designs on the fabric. So how to create that designs on the fabric, that is covered in this course. Means if you wish to make a fancy fabric, then the knowledge of this course is must. So in another way, I can say that first two course, man-made fiber weaving and basics of woven fabric designing, that are the basic requirement of our textile industry. Means if you want to enter in the textile business, then you must have knowledge of these courses. Both of these courses are run simultaneously. So both the courses you can complete in a 9 month duration time. So you need not to go for a separate 9 months for both these courses. When you are completing these two courses, that means you are having knowledge of that now textile industry. But one is always desirous or willing to make the same fabric which he is getting from the market, or he may need to make some changes in that fabric. In that situation, you need to have a knowledge of sample analysis. So the sample analysis in practical course, in that course we are covering that how to find details from the fabric which you are getting from the market and how to create the same fabric or the related fabric in our factory. That knowledge you will have in this course. So as per our thinking, any person who is entering in textile business, he is in need of these first three courses. So that are the must for anyone. If we talk about the remaining courses, then the fourth course is special course in jacquard weaving. If you have any concern with the jacquard machine, then you need to go for this course. It gives all that knowledge which is specially required for jacquard weaving. For successful handling of jacquard unit, you should have knowledge of harness and design calculation. The fifth course is Modern Techniques of Filament Weaving. This course gives you knowledge of modern machines which we are using at Surat, such as rapier loom and water jet loom, along with its advantages and disadvantages. It provides knowledge of auto stop motions used on these machines and about dobbies that are used on these machines. Edge jet machines can also be covered on demand. The sixth course is Advanced Designing of Woven Fabric. This course gives knowledge of developing and making new fabric quality as per our own concept. This course covers cloth setting theory. By having this knowledge, you can decide the reed pick required for particular yarn, for particular denier, and for particular weave for making perfect fabric. Advanced name doesn't mean that it is for modern machines only. The content of this course is for making fabric on any weaving machines such as power loom, rapier loom, water jet, and air jet loom. Here we suggest you that in our Kushal, initially you should go for these two courses, man-made fiber weaving and basics of woven fabric designing, that you can complete it within 9 month time. Then you should go for third and fourth course which are of 4 month duration. These two courses also you can do simultaneously. In the third phase, you can go for this modern weaving course or advanced designing course that are of 5 month duration. It is not necessary that you should move in this order only. If you can spare time, you can cover this third, fourth, fifth, and sixth course simultaneously also. So it is up to you in how much time you want to complete the total package. Minimum time which you require, that is 14 months time. And if you move step by step, then you need 18 months time. So friends, the time which you will be giving for learning, that is not much more, considering the business which you are going to perform for the lifetime. You have already spent your 21 or 22 years for learning in some basic degrees, but now you will be learning for your business, and your business, that is all for you, and for business we should spare this much time. Course number 1 and 2 are mandatory for doing any course from number 3 to 6. For course number 3 to 6, you can do any course individually or simultaneously as per your requirement and convenience. The content of all courses is as per requirement of Surat industry. We are doing audio visual presentations which are as good as industrial visits. In classroom, we are going in in-depth discussion. Normally, the person who is connected with the textile business, they come to us, and those even having that vast experience, they also come to us. So whenever discussion takes place, we are going in depth discussion. That will be an added advantage for a newcomer. so that in very short period of time he can have total knowledge of our textile industry. For the courses and for our timetable, here you are seeing that timetable. Our very basic course, man-made fiber weaving and basics of woven fabric designing, which are of 9 months. We are running 4 batches at different times. 2 batches, first and second, that are conducted in morning session. Batch timings are 7:20 to 8:30 and 8:40 to 9:50. Third batch, that is in evening time, 5 to 6:10 p.m. And fourth one, that is at night time, 8 to 10 p.m. When we are talking that we are running these 4 batches, means every 3 months we are starting a new batch. We have a planned schedule for that. So whenever you are interested, you can contact us, and in which batch you can have admission, that you can have information by contacting us. For working days, for the weaving course, the classes are conducted for 3 days. You can see on the screen. For the first page, schedule is that Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday there will be a class of weaving, and on Thursday, Friday there will be a class of designing. For the second batch, weaving classes will be conducted on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and designing classes will be conducted on Monday and Tuesday. Third batch, that is evening batch, again the schedule is same as per batch number 1. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday there will be a class of weaving, and Thursday, Friday there will be a class of designing. Night batch is a very unique kind of it, because the people who are engaged in the business, sometimes they feel that in daytime they can't come for learning. So considering that requirement, we are running that night batch. And as I said you, here the people who are coming, they are mature person, they are having higher age also, they are living with family, so they need to give time to family also, or even they need to give time to the business also, sometimes at a little bit night time also. So considering all these requirements, we are running night batches not on daily basis, but we are running it on alternate days. Here you can see that at night 8 to 9:10 p.m. on Monday, Wednesday and Friday there will be a class of weaving, and from 9:15 to 10 p.m. there will be a class of designing, and the days will be Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So friends, here for learning or for having all that knowledge, if you are coming in morning or evening batch, then you have to come from Monday to Friday only. Saturday, Sunday will be off. And if you are coming in night batch, then you have to come for the 3 days only, for the time 8 to 10 p.m. On Thursday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, and Sunday, you have not to come in the class. So the schedule is so arranged so that one can definitely adjust his routine for having that knowledge on textile business. For the remaining course, here you are observing all that schedule, and that you have to come afterwards in all these batches. So better we can discuss in our classes when you will come to join in our institute. For taking admission, prerequisite required for admission is minimum 18 years age or HSC appeared. The target is that We want to educate the person who is involved in the business with responsibility. We are not entertaining that minor age boys of college. On the day of admission, only those who have pre-registered their names in waiting list will be given admission. That means you have to enroll your names well in advance. At the time of admission, certified copies of birth date evidence, education proof, and residence address proof are to be attached with the application form. 3 passport size photos are to be attached with the application form. Limited candidates will be given admission in a batch. Normally, maximum 18 students are taken in a batch. After starting the batch, permission will not be granted for change of batch or for transfer of name in new starting batch. So be sure before taking admission. As in our institute, all that responsible person of higher age are coming. We are not conducting any exams, but we are looking for the attendance of the candidates. So on completion of the course, those who have minimum 80% attendance in the class will be honored with a certificate by institute. Means if you have 80% attendance, we consider that you have completed the course and now you have that knowledge which we want to deliver on you. For the payment of fees, 50% advance fee is to be paid at the time of admission. Remaining 50% fee is to be paid within a week time after starting of the batch. Those who pay 100% fee on the day of admission will be given a fixed concession. So that will be a special benefit that will be given to 100% payment members. Friends, a little drop of knowledge flavored with wisdom make big differences. Achieve required knowledge of textile business without wasting your valuable time. To secure seat, enroll your names well in advance. Our address 202 Deepdarshan Chambers 2/905 Hiramodi Street, Shagrampara, Surat. Landmark opposite Gujarat Samachar Press near Udna Darwaja, Ring Road. Our meeting time is 6:30 to 8 p.m. except Saturday, Sunday. You can call us on our landline phone 2332254 and mobile 98243 97387. You can contact us on email also. Our email address kushalweaving@hotmail.com. You can even visit our website. There you can have the more detail about our institution or our about organization. It is www.kushaltextileinstitute.org.